Hi,
Hello,
how are you doing today?
I'm fine. And you?
Good. I'm doing good also. Thank you for asking. My
Okay.
name is my name is Yvonne. What's your name?
Sahiba.
Saiba.
Yeah.
Okay, and what country are you from, Saiba?
I'm from India. And you?
I am from the United States, from Texas. What part
Okay.
of India, which city of India are you from?
Mm, I'm from Jammu and Kashmir.
Never heard of it. Is it a big city or a small city?
Small city.
A small city. Okay.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been learning English?
Today I started.
Today you started learning, but you already know English, so you had to have started earlier. Did you start learning in school?
Yes.
Okay. And so why do you want to learn English now? Is it because you want of your job or education?
I wanted to improve myself. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Sorry, on the screen it looks like you're still talking. That's why I was waiting. So what else are you able to do? Do you understand when you read
Yes.
English?
I can understand.
Okay. And do you ever listen to English at home? Like, do you watch movies or series? Do you listen to English?
Yes, I was listening BBC.
Okay, good. Let me ask you something. Do you watch TV with or without the subtitles?
No, I don't watch movies.
Okay, but
I
you watch
listen
BBC,
TED
right?
Talk.
Yeah, but you're telling me you watch BBC, right? So when you watch it, do you read subtitles or do you just listen to English?
I just listen.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. It's really important that you don't read subtitles, okay? If you ever watch TV in English, don't read subtitles, okay? Maybe in the beginning,
Okay.
it's okay. It's okay in the beginning, but eventually you want to stop doing that because in the real world, people don't have subtitles. So you want to adapt your ear to listen to English, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we want you to practice using your English, okay? So I'll ask you just some questions about you so that you can speak, okay?
Okay.
I'll correct you if I hear something wrong, and if you don't understand something I say, it's okay for you to interrupt me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about yourself. What can you tell me about you?
My name is Saiba. Full name, my name is Saiba Kosel. I'm from India. Currently, I'm studying
You're studying.
in 11th class.
What are you studying for?
I have art subject.
All subjects.
Art.
Art.
Yeah.
Got it. What kind of art are you most interested in?
Sorry?
What type of art are you most interested in?
Drawing and creating different things.
Okay. And what's your favorite medium?
Pen and paper. Pen and paper?
Pen and paper, you just like sketching them, not painting?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what do you like drawing the most? Do you like drawing people, landscapes? What's your favorite?
Trees and birds.
Trees and birds.
Yeah.
Okay, so like nature. Yeah, and who's your favorite artist? Do you have a favorite?
I have some local artists.
So local artists?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. No problem. So where you live in India, what region is it? Is it northern, southern area? What region?
Northern.
Northern.
Yeah.
And how is the climate right now?
Right now it's rainy.
Rainy
Season.
rainy season.
It's a rainy season.
Yeah.
Okay. Does it get cold in the winter, or do you guys never really have a cold
We had cold
season?
earlier,
We had cold earlier,
but now
but now it's
it's
good.
normal.
Normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's helping you with your English? Is that your husband or your brother?
Brother.
Brother.
Okay. That's good that you have someone to help you.
Yes.
Yes.
Does everyone in your family speak English?
Yes, my brother is.
Yes, my brother is speaking English.
Just the two of you? Your parents, other siblings don't speak English?
Yes, don't.
Yes, don't.
They don't speak.
They don't speak.
They don't speak.
Yeah.
Okay. So who do you practice your English with most of the time?
My brother.
My brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when you go to university, do you get to speak English there, or is everything in a different language?
Yes, we have English medium. Yes, we have.
Yes, we have
English medium,
English medium,
but don't have
but that kind of practice.
Spoken practice.
Spoken practice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But some of your classes are actually in English?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. I didn't realize in India English was so common, like for university. And what's happening right now with the pandemic, with COVID-19? Can you go to university, or do you have to do online?
Now it is again lockdown.
Now it is again lockdown.
Again, there's a lockdown?
Yeah.
Too bad. When did it start?
Sorry.
Sorry?
When did it start again?
It started. It will be starting from tomorrow onwards.
It will be starting from tomorrow
onwards.
onwards.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So in these recent days, it's been increasing. More and more people have gotten sick.
It was normal before.
It was normal before,
but now it is
but now it is
increasing.
increasing.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Do they know why it's increasing? Is it because people are not wearing the mask, or is there a new strain of COVID?
I'm not sure about that.
I'm not sure about that,
But in our
but
area,
in our area,
there is the chances
there is the chances
that it can increase.
that it can increase.
There are no chances to increase?
Not much chances.
Not much chance.
Okay. In the United States, the same thing is happening right now. More and more people are getting sick, but it's because we have the new strain from the UK. Have you heard of it?
Yes.
Yes.
And it's killing younger people, and it's more aggressive. So it's going up again. That's why I was asking you if in India, if it's growing because of the new strain or because people are gathering in groups. A little bit of both, maybe. So have you done online classes before, or is this going to be your first time?
Yes, I'm learning
Yes, I'm learning
WordPress
online.
online.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how's that going for you? Do you enjoy doing online classes, or do you not like it very much?
Yes, enjoy.
Yes, enjoy.
You do? You like online?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Some people love it and some people hate it. Like for some people, it's too many distractions at home. They think it's difficult. Well, your time is almost up, Sahiba, right? Tell me your name again.
Sorry?
Can you tell me how you say your name again, please? Your name. Sahiba?
Sahiba Kosar.
Sahiba.
Sahiba.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a nice day, Sahiba. Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Bye.